Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and this is our second part of our Lose the Belly Fat in 30 Days challenge. This is actually week 3 and we are going to be doing this workout, alternating it with cardio. I hope you've already seen results from the previous 2 weeks and I hope you are actually taking this challenge seriously. So we are jogging in sport right now, warming up our bodies, preparing the hearts, the muscles, and the general body for that workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Plus, it means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. If you're returning, thank you so much. It means a lot to me to have you working out with me. And we are going to move on to the next exercise, and that is jump squat. So just squat and jump, squat and jump. We are doing 12 of these. That is 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Tummy towards the spine. 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. 2 more and 1 more, and relax it out. Moving on to the wood chopper squat. So you want to squat and chop. Squat, we are going to do 12 of these per side. Squat, squat, and up. Keep breathing, coming towards the spine. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Just give me 2 more and 1 more, and the other side. So squat, keep breathing, keep going. Let's do 2 more and 1 more, and relax it out. Moving into some stretching, we are going to do a chair pose, which we are going to be holding for 45 seconds. So you want to bring your arms forward and you want to raise your feet off the ground, and you want to sit down into that chair. Sit as low as you can go, guys. This is a very good workout for strengthening those abs, even those legs. So just keep holding. We are holding for 45 seconds, but you can hold for as long as you can. I know it's quite challenging and you will feel that burn in your legs, but just continue holding it. Continue pulling your abs towards the spine. You're doing an amazing job. Keep holding, keep going, and we are holding more for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up, guys. Relax it out, take it out, and we are gonna be grabbing our mats, head down onto the mat, and do more ab exercises. So see you down on the mat. So down on the mat, we are gonna begin with the elbow plank, and we're gonna hold this for 45 seconds. I will be timing with my phone over here. So you want to begin it up. So get into position, put your hands into a triangle and raise your torso off the ground. You want to pull in your abs towards the spine tightly, and you want to make sure that your body is not aching up to the ceiling. Try to hold a flat body, and we are holding this for 45 seconds, guys. I feel the burn. I hope you are feeling too. Keep going, keep breathing, keep holding your arms tight. This is not only very good for the abs, but for the entire body. I love the plank so much. So keep going, and the alarm has gone. Get back up, and we are going to be stretching out for 15 seconds. We are going to stretch out with the child's pose. So get into position and stretch out your arms, and we are going to be holding this. Keep holding, keep going, feeling that stretch in your arms. And the alarm is off, guys. Next, we are going to be moving on to the side plank with a knee raise. So you want to get into position. We are going to be holding this for 30 seconds per leg. Let's just start that timer over there. So get up and bring your leg towards your hands, and we are holding this right there. This is quite challenging. I know I feel the burn myself, but if you feel you can't hold this, just bring down your leg and do the usual side plank and just keep holding it right there. I feel the burn, guys. Pull those abs towards the spine, you know, and feel them tightening up. Keep holding, don't give up. You're doing a great job. It's burning me over here, and the timer is up, guys. Get down, stop it, and stretch out. And moving on to the other side, still gonna be holding for 30 seconds. Get into position, pull those abs towards the spine, get up, and we are going to bring the leg towards the hand, and we are holding this, guys. Keep going, don't slow down, don't give up, don't give in. You're doing an awesome job. Just know it is a very good pose or exercise for those ab muscles, especially the internal abdominal muscles as well as the side oblique muscles. Keep holding, keep going, and there goes the alarm. Get it down and stretch out that side that we have been holding, and we want to move into leg extensions. Simply get down onto your back safely, and we are going to bring those legs to table surface. Bring your hands to your abs, and as we lift up our head off the ground, squeeze your abs so that they are squeezing in, so that you support them not to bulge out. So lift your head off the ground, extend and back, lift, extend and back, squeezing those abs to stay tight and fix in position. So we are focusing on doing 10 per leg. That is 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, halfway to go, 11 and 12. I feel the burn, guys. 13 and 14. Squeeze those abs. 15, 5 to go. 16, 17, 18, keep going. 19, just one more, and 20. Well done. And get up. So we are going to be moving into the reverse plank that we are going to be holding for 45 seconds. Again, prepare your timer. So you want to start it, and you want to bring your hands back, raise your body off the ground, and just hold this comfortably, as comfortably as you can. Pull your abs towards the spine. Make sure that your head is relaxed. You can either look down or look up, whichever position you feel is good for your neck and your head. And we are holding this while breathing in normally. I feel that burn in my arms, in my legs. Keep going, don't give up, don't give in. You're doing a great job. And feel free to get down if you feel you can't take it any longer. If you feel you can do 15 seconds, it's also fine. If you feel you can do more than 45 seconds, it's also fine. Just keep holding, holding and holding. And there goes the alarm. Get down comfortably, and you want to stop it. So next we want to get into the bridge stretch, and we want to do that for 30 seconds. So again, get onto your timer, and we want to start it. Just get into position, push your hands into the mat and raise your torso off the ground, and we are holding this while trying to pull those abs still towards the spine, feeling that tightness in your butt, in your legs. And we are holding this right here for 30 seconds. Keep going. You're doing a great job. I know the bridge is not hard at all, right? But it's very, very good for those abs, for that back. And there goes our alarm. You want to get up. We want to stretch out our backs for 15 seconds. So just sit up and stretch it out. Pull your abs towards the spine and feel that gentle stretch in your back, in your arms, feeling good about yourself. This is the end of our workout, by the way, a good gentle stretch. And there goes our alarm, and we want to stretch out our chest. I hope you are feeling as great as I am, and I hope we get to rid of that belly fat and keep stretching. And there goes our alarm, and you want to breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out, coming to the end of our 5. As usual, a high 5 if you made it this far. And that is just about it for today. So we are doing this ab workout, alternating it with cardio. If you've not yet joined our Facebook group and you would like to join it to take part in this challenge, I will leave the link in the description box below. Otherwise, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to say, and of course share this video with your friends and families so that you invite them to join us to get rid of that belly fat. It means a lot to me when you join my growing family over here. So don't forget to subscribe for more, hit the bell button so that every time I upload a new video you receive notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.